Yeah, I got it. We land, they take off.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sydney, where the local time is 6:45. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Do take care when opening the overhead lockers, as your hand luggage may have moved during the flight. Before leaving, ensure that you have all your personal items with you. As you disembark the aircraft, hold on to the handrails and follow the directions of our ground staff. As you will be walking across the tarmac, ensure that mobile phones and other pieces of electronic equipment, including portable music devices and cameras, remain switched off until you're inside the terminal building. If you are continuing on to another destination with Tiger Airways or any other carrier, you must proceed to the arrivals hall, collect your luggage from the carousel, then recheck in at the departures area. If you have any questions regarding your onward flight, please check the monitors or ask one of the ground staff. On behalf of Captain Ian Swinton, First Officer Marcus Chevelle and your entire Melbourne-based crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with Tiger Airways today. We look forward to seeing you when next you choose to travel across our expanding network. Thank you and good evening.
Camcorder samples lines across check.